Vicky here with you, and I'm here for an unboxing, but it's something I purchased at Scrapbook Central. So I went and I got myself another one, and it was Natalie that served me. By the way, I will be linking in the description box below the link to the store. They got really good service. She also does sell online a lot. So if there's anything that you cannot get in your area, you can always check them out. And with the pandemic, they've done a lot more online orders. I'm sorry if I'm gonna hit the camera. I'm hoping not. Okay, we got it out. So I finally splurged. I finally got a new one. I couldn't stand it anymore. The other one was, it was just, yeah, it was just too much. That it was really broken, and definitely needed. It was time that I got myself a new one. It's not like it's a machine that I don't use a lot. I really do use it a lot. For a while I didn't as much, but recently I've been really rediscovering it, and clearly I needed to invest in a new one. I love how they packaged everything bundled up so well. Obviously I'm going to be using the new plates. My plates were really finished as well. If you've seen the only thing that I'm going to be reusing, however, is the base mat. That part. I have the one from Stamping Up, which is magnetic, and which is one of the things that I think is just so amazing. Because of the fact that your dies stay put, so definitely worth it. So now you've got I've got all my new things, my new dies, the thin one. That's changed. The one I had before, you used to have it like lift. I guess it shows how long ago I purchased my machine, my first one. And then the second one I had gotten when I went shopping with Annie at a thrift store. And clearly it did good for a while and saved me from purchasing a new one for a while, but you know, it's now time for this new machine to be in my life, because I really want it. I really want to be able to use it and be okay. So basically, you just need to put it in this, like this, and then you put the little washer and the little screw, and then you've got the little tool to hook it up. And it's really worth going to your local stores if you're lucky enough to have them, because you need to give them business. There's not a lot of local stores anymore, and they're always there for you when you need. And if you've got a special thing that you do need, often they'll be willing to check it out for you and order it. So definitely highly suggest going that route instead of going into the Amazon route if you can. I don't know about, you know, in case you're shipping this thing, it might be very heavy, so you might end up paying more because of that. But if you're local, definitely go and check it out in store. But like I said, she's got a ton of dies. I had to limit myself because I barely glanced. I saw some papers. Oh, I wanted them so bad, but I resisted. So how proud of you? How proud of me are you guys? But now I finally got one that's gonna work, and I'm looking forward to sharing new cards with it soon. So love you guys, see you soon, and don't forget to go and check out Scrapbook Central. The link will be in the description box below, in case you want to order anything. She also does videos where she shows all the new things that she's gotten in store, so definitely worth checking it out. Love you guys, bye.